Your Troy-Bilt Operator's Manual is a helpful resource when it comes to finding the right part or accessory for your outdoor power equipment. To make things a little easier, Troy-Bilt also has added a parts list label to most of its riding mowers, zero-turn mowers, and snowblowers. This label features commonly used original equipment parts and accessories, including blades, belts, baggers, and mulch kits. So where can you find the parts list label? On Troy-Bilt riding mowers, the label is located under the hood. On Troy-Bilt zero-turn mowers, the label can be found under the seat mounting bracket. Keep in mind that you'll need to pivot the seat forward to view the label. And on Troy-Bilt snowblowers, the label is located on the rear frame between the wheels. With Troy-Bilt genuine parts, you can be confident in knowing that you're choosing the best parts for your Troy-Bilt outdoor power equipment.